5:35. People are now overdosing on a drug used to tranquilize elephants. 3 people overdosed on the synthetic opioid carfentanil in our state. One victim is from Frederick County. The 2 others were in Anne Arundel County. Vets use the opioid to treat animals, but now it's often cut with heroin.
You know, it's absolutely amazing that this kind of stuff ends up on the streets. This is a type of drug that's used as a horse tranquilizer or a tranquilizer for elephants, so to speak. So it's amazing that people actually voluntarily put it in their body.
The governor is calling on those who are struggling with substance abuse to contact the Maryland Crisis Hotline, which is staffed 24/7. The number is 1-800-422-0009. And ABC2 works to bring you the stories that are impacting you and your community. To learn more about the opioid epidemic and how families are coping, head to our website, abc2news.com/heroin.